In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, grab your device and open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever you like best. Once you have your browser open, navigate to Google. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and hit Enter. Now, you should see a list of search results pop up. Look for the official ChatGPT website and click on it to head directly there. Alternatively, if you already know the website address, you can skip this step and go straight to it. The main thing is that you want to land on the ChatGPT home screen. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. Being signed in is essential because it allows you to access your personal settings. If you're not signed in yet, just enter your login credentials and you'll be ready to go. Now, take a look toward the lower left corner of the page. You should see your profile avatar or perhaps your initials displayed there. Go ahead and click on that area. This will open up the account menu. If you're on a smaller screen and can't see it due to limited screen space, you might want to maximize your window or zoom out a bit to find that avatar comfortably. That avatar sits right at the bottom of the left sidebar, and it's a small but significant detail in accessing your preferences. After you've clicked on it, a menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Settings. When you click on that, it opens a panel filled with various preferences you can customize for your account. Now focus your attention on the section labeled Appearance. Next to that, you'll spot a tiny drop-down icon. Click that icon to unveil the theme options available for your ChatGPT experience. This is where the magic happens, where you get to decide how ChatGPT looks. From the list of options available, choose Dark. As soon as you click on Dark Mode, you should see the interface switch to this new darker color scheme immediately. Now, why is dark mode so great, you might wonder? It's particularly beneficial for those late-night work sessions, reducing glare and easing eye strain, especially if you're in a low-light environment. If, for any reason, the change doesn't apply right away, don't panic. Just give the page a moment to refresh, or consider refreshing your browser tab manually. And just a word of caution, if you use browser-based theme extensions, they might override what you're setting here. If that happens, you should consider temporarily disabling those extensions to get a clear view of ChatGPT's native dark palette. The good news is that changing the appearance doesn't alter your chats or settings too much beyond the visual style, so there's really no risk in trying it out. Now, some accounts may also show an additional option that allows you to match your system themes. This means that ChatGPT will automatically follow your device's light or dark settings. If you are someone who prefers ChatGPT to remain dark regardless of your device settings, make sure to keep it explicitly set to dark in the menu. Before we wrap up, I want to share a couple of quick tips. If you happen to be using a high contrast monitor, you can definitely adjust your display brightness after enabling dark mode. This will give you an even more comfortable viewing experience. And remember, if you switch devices, the appearance settings are linked to your specific account. So, when you sign in on a new machine, it's wise to check your settings once again. Lastly, if you're using the mobile app, enabling dark mode is quite similar. Just open the app menu, navigate to Settings, find the Appearance section, and select Dark. And there you have it! Dark mode is now enabled in ChatGPT. Enjoy your more comfortable and focused workspace, and don't hesitate to switch back to light mode whenever you want by using the same menu. Thanks for joining me today, and happy chatting!